Who am I to say no to that? My fraudulent rent was due. Cute little bread. Her eyes are closed because she's dreaming. Whoever comes up with this, normal body. Oh my god, that's so rude. I'm sorry, miss. It's not at all an informational video. Purely for the vibes. Hi y'all! Today I'm gonna go through my Sonny Angel collection and I'm so excited for this video. I literally have been wanting to make it ever since I even started a YouTube channel. Why my collection is so perfect and beautiful and amazing and scrumdiddlyumptious is because I always trade with friends. I've ever traded. Love you, girl. Hope you get every single Sonny Angel you want ever. Okay, let's get into it. This is a strawberry. Lord, she is so cute, but I don't know what to do with her. So I might do surgery on her and put her on like a normal body. Normal body. Oh my god, that's so rude. I'm sorry, miss. I might put her on a standing body. Crawling, so whatever you attach it to, it'll look like it's crawling on the body. I don't know if you've ever seen a Sonny Angel on a phone. It deteriorates. So there's like holes in it and like the color's off and it starts looking kind of scary. And I don't want that for these. The last hipper, she's from the Dreaming collection. So her eyes are closed because she's dreaming. Whoever comes up with this, we're in the lab. The iconic Brian. This went pretty viral. Every time I see him, I think New Jeans, I think Miffy. Just like so iconic. It's a banana, you guys. It's literally a banana. As you can see it, and she looks like a little monkey. I love her. I think I bought a gazillion boxes of like the fruit series trying to get his ass. And at some point, we're just spending so much money. My little sister was like, girl, let's just buy it. So this is my store-bought Sprout because I was actually like losing all my money trying to pull this one. Next are two secrets from two Cherry Blossom collections. So this one is from 2019. This one is from the night version. She has a matching twin sister. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is probably a terrible way to explain it. This is not at all an informational video, purely for the vibes. But anyways, they remind me of me and my little sisters. This is just a regular lob from their regular animal series. They've done a ton of variations, and as you can see, I'm a big fan. This is the Winter Wonderland series secret, but it's a little more common. It was craziest thing is I only bought one of these. And it was this one. It was crazy. We literally started screaming in the store because we didn't expect it. So now forever, I will think of her as like the Christmas girly. Like, and similar story for this lot too. Only one blind box from the series, and it was this one. Can you believe? Like that luck is insane. Because this one is 1 out of 144, and it's the only one I wanted. So super freaking lucky. Love my little lucky lops. This is the Happy Birthday Bear secret. The balloon comes out, but I keep it in because I do not want to lose it. This was a birthday gift. This was like the best birthday gift ever. I don't know what could possibly top this. This is like the most detailed Sonny Angel I own. This is from the Enjoy the Moment series. And guys, like if you want anything from the series, just give it up. Okay, because people resell these for like 100. I don't know what the girls are on. It's just crazy. It's crazy. It does come off the chair, but I just glued her little butt down. She has Robbie's diary and like Robbie on her head, drawing a little heart with a pen, a little lamb ear. I love when they play with different molds, and I see them doing that for the newer collections. It's just so exciting. I have more from this series. I don't know where I put them. You're gonna just have to take my word for it. I swear I have more. This is my white kitty. I also have an orange kitty, and I also have a gray kitty. I just have hella kitties. This is one of the first series that my sister and I were like, okay, we'll go buy Sonny Angel. This is what brought us into everything. I bought a Cat Life and a Japanese Good Luck for my first pull ever. And I swear, y'all, the Japanese Good Luck series, the first one I got was literally a white secret. This is what it looks like. I do not have it anymore because someone offered to pay a lot of money for it. And I was like, who am I? Who am I to say no to that? Okay, so I sold it. Honestly, that was the worst thing that could happen to me, getting a secret on my first pull, because now I'm addicted forever. Now for some of my more regulars, this one is Bok Choy. He's just a vegetable, okay? And this one's pretty popular. Like all the girls want him. So this is alpaca, and the reason why I'm laughing is because nobody likes this one. Literally nobody. I think he gets resold for like $7 because nobody likes him. But you guys, like I love him so bad. I give him a little too much blush. I don't believe in too much blush, but I love it so much. It's like he has more blush on this side than on that side. This is my underrated favorite. Well, this one is the It Girl, the one who started everything for me. I would see her everywhere, and I don't really like Sonny Angels, but I really want that pink bunny. Like, and I think I bought maybe $100 worth of different Sonny Angel at first, just trying to get this one. Every time I did not get it. I have not won. Oh, I have not one, not two, not even three. I have four. The fourth one is a hipper on my phone. This is the Soul Secret, meaning there was a 1 out of 144 chance of pulling this little guy. And on his t-shirt it says I love Soul. It's just so cute. And he's a little strawberry. There's a little flower in the strawberry. He's a little tinier than all the other ones, which is so cute to me. For size comparison, this is the size of a normal one. This is the size of my little, I don't know if you can tell that well on camera. Okay, now they look the same and I look stupid. I swear this one's tinier. This is the cherry blossom cat. She's literally perfect and I love her. She has cherry blossoms all over. She has the matching bunny counterpart, and the cherry blossoms on the bunny are puffy. Love the texture. And I got the goat. Yeah, of course I got all three of them. Top tier collection. This goat is especially special because, do you see that? Those are cherry blossoms that are 3D. Put in overtime for these. Like, whoever made this collection, rent was due. But yeah, I love this collection so much. Oh, there's one more I forgot about. Wait, how could I forget about this? This is the pink Daruma from the Japanese Good Luck series. My fraudulent pink Daruma. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, you can't even really tell. I did kind of a great job because I'm a genius. But basically, I painted this because I really want that pink secret. But I've never seen anyone sell it. And I think the one time someone was like, girl, I'll sell it to you. And I was like, thank you so much. I love you. How much do you want? And she was like, $300. And I was like, actually, no, thank you. No, thank you. So I made her and I love her and she's perfect. And I swear there's more. I'll find them and I'll add them to the end. So I think that's about it. Thank you so much for sticking it through the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, tag your mom, everyone you can think of. Just let them know that I made this. Okay, thanks. Bye. So excited about their new collection. There's one with a cute little bread. Oh, it's so cute. I love the little bread one so bad. The little kitty who's reading. I read. I just crossed over. I get to buy one and I got one that I like. Some other ones that I really want. Astronaut, so cute. Love them. Who else? Turtle, snail, caterpillar. Damn, I can't remember anyone else. Oh, sailor. I don't even want to think about buying this, okay? Because I was on eBay. I saw someone bid $350 and I just X'd out.
Life does not. Oh my God.
Huh. I guess there's not that many I want.